In this video, I will show you how to lock Facebook app on iPhone with Face ID. Note that this feature works on any iPhone model that is running on iOS 18 and later. As iOS 18 is officially rolled out, you should update your iPhone to iOS 18. With iOS 18, you can lock any app using Face ID. To lock Facebook or any other app with Face ID, just long press the Facebook app icon until such option appears. Here you will find an option Require Face ID. Just tap on it. It will ask you for the confirmation whether you want to use Face ID to unlock the app. Just tap Require Face ID. So next time when you try to open Facebook, your iPhone will scan your face, and upon successful recognition, Facebook app will unlock and open. So that is how you can lock Facebook on iPhone with Face ID. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.